Hey, business leaders, do you know the quickest way, the fastest way on this planet to grow gray hair while growing your business? One word: micromanaging. Micromanaging. I'm going to talk about micromanaging and I'm going to tell you, I discovered one pill, an instant pill. Because you see, micromanaging is like migraine headache. I've never had it before, we never had it. But those who've had migraine, if you told them there was a pill that would give them instant relief and told them it was $1,000, they will pay. So I have a pill I'm going to tell you shortly about dealing with micromanaging. But you see, it shows up even in parenting. You have your kid studying somewhere in the UK or Canada or South Africa, but you're waking him or waking her up every day. Have you washed your trousers? Have you ironed your shirt? Do you have your pencil in your stationery bag? When is your lecture? When are you going to leave? Have you gotten there? You just constantly on phone. Have you gotten there? Okay, how long is the lecture? Okay, I will call you immediately after the lecture. Okay, have you eaten? It's just terrible. And I wonder why you, as a business owner, would employ people to do the work and you don't let them do the work. So let me tell you the cure for micromanaging. The pill I discovered. It's called trust is sin. Trust is sin. Trust your child to survive. Trust your child to be able to make hard decisions, and trust your child to be able to use the principles and the things, the values you already taught her at home to make good decisions over there in the UK. Trust your employees to be able to do the job that you hire them to do. Just let go. Trust, trust, trust. They may fail once in a while, but just give them the opportunity, give them the freedom to fail, to succeed, to discover things, to make decisions, and to bear the responsibility. All right, so use the trust is sin this week and tell me how it works. Meanwhile, keep showing up. You never know what's next.